Printing 2 pages on one sheet in Microsoft Excel 2010 is very easy. Open the print menu by clicking the Excel 2010 and select, or use the shortcut by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Then click Properties. Next, under the Additional section, select 2-in-1 Printing. Choosing 2-in-1 Printing will automatically set the number of 2. You can see an example of how it will look in the side. You can also change the paper size that will be used. Adjust the paper orientation to either portrait or landscape. Once everything has been configured according to your preferences, OK. Finally, click Print to start printing. So, what do you think? It's quite easy to print 2 pages in Microsoft Excel 2010, isn't it? That's the tutorial. We hope it has been helpful. See you in the next video.